RKB Accounting specializes in cross-border taxation. Your one-stop solution for filing taxes in the United States and Canada. RKB handles income tax, sales tax, payroll, and bookkeeping, and also helps in incorporating your business on both sides of the border. Please visit us at rkbaccounting.ca to learn more about our services.
Hello friend, so in this video we are going to create a T4. T4 is the form you issue to your employee at the end of the year stating their salaries and wages. So this is T1 in the tax cycle, this is T2, this is T3, and when you are preparing T4 you click on this. 2022, create a new. The first screen or the sheet is info sheet, and this information is for the employer. This information is only for the employer. So you put the employer business number, and it's always RP0001, name ABC, employer, address 123 Street, Concord, Province, Ontario, A1, A, 2, B2, 2, B2. Province, I can put Ontario. So that's it. I can select province here. And that's what you need for the employer information, and then you can select English, contact, name of the director, John Smith, position, director. Perfect. So this is the basic information for the employer. Now we are going to create T4 for each individual employee. So the employer has paid salary and wages. There may be 1 employee, 2 employee, 5 employee, 10 employee, hundreds of employee. So all the 100 T4 for all the 100 employee, you prepare it here. So create a new T4. Now here is all the information about the employee. You put the information about the employee. Social insurance number 789, employer first name Majo, Tank, address 145 Street, City, Concord, postal code A1, A, 2, B2. If the employee is exempt for CPP and EI, you can select here. Here you select what is the payroll period, if payroll cycle. If you pay bi-weekly, then it is 26. If you are paying monthly, then it is 12. It doesn't matter here too much because you are going to put the annual information. So suppose the salary was 5,000 per month, so 12 months 60,000. On 60,000, how much CPP you deducted? 3220.50. How much EI you deducted? 94800. How much income tax you deducted? 12,000. That's it. So the T4 is ready for the employee. Now let's create one more T4. Suppose in this business we have 2 employees. Social insurance number 54789, anything. Sam, John, 45, Atrat, Concord, 1B1, B1B, 2S2. Again, if it is exempt from CPP, I check this box. You select the pay period. Original, if you are filing an amended, then you select amended. This is original 2022 province of employment. Put the salary here. Suppose this employee's salary was 10,000 per month, so it comes to 120,000. CPP 3499.80, EI 952.74, income tax deducted 25,000. So now you have prepared T4 for 2 employees. Because the SIN number is wrong, so you see the red mark here. So there are 2 employees in the business for whom we have prepared the T4. There could be 10 employees, 20 employees, 100 employees. So same way you keep creating the T4. Once you created all the T4, then you need to look at the summary of T4s. That means total wages paid for all the employees. So you can go to summary and you can click on the summary of remuneration. Remember, we put the employer information, so employer information comes automatically. There was one employee which we paid 60,000 salary, another employee 120,000 salary. So total salary and wages paid by this employer to all the employees are 180,000. So you see we have created 2 T4. So here is already coming total number of T4 2. This is the CPP what we deducted from the employee. This is the EI what we deducted from the employee. As you know, the similar amount has to be contributed by the employer. So 6720.30 is the employee deduction and the same amount employer is contributing. EI deducted from the employee and the employer has to contribute 1.4 times of the employee deduction. So this is 1,900 times 1.4 is 2,661. This was the tax deducted from the employee salaries and wages. So CPP plus EI plus tax deducted, this is the amount they need to remit to CRA. So hypothetically, I am assuming that this employer has already remitted the CRA payroll remittances to the CRA. Here you go. So the balance is 0. That's it. So you have prepared, you have created the information sheet of the employer, and you created the T4s for the employee, and then you went into the summary return to check all the employee salary and wages totals are coming onto the summary sheet. So once again, this is pretty simple. Employer information and create T4. File, close without saving. So this is T1, this is T2, this is T3, this is T4. So when you are creating T4 for the employees, you need to create it from here. Once you create the T4 and give it to the employee, then what employee is going to do, they are going to prepare their T1 income tax return, and then they will enter their own T4 information in the T1. That's it. Thank you for watching.